I did Amazon, I did eBay, I did Shopify, I had brick and mortar businesses. Follow me right now as my main objective every day is to try to make money from the stock market. I'm on the road to 3 million. This episode, I'm not sure what it is, but this is just an intro. And right now you can see me break down videos on here on my YouTube. Look at the books, check everything out, and be in touch. Message me through here, Twitter. Get up with me. It's going to be a phone number, an email, and we can talk about any subject, stocks, crypto, what we need to in business. Let's go. So I had a few choices. Like it was simple as that. You know what I mean? I looked at it like there was some trades, couple trades actually that could have took, but like SCNI, for example, it ran up and I knew everybody was going to be shorting it coming into that market. The market open. I mean, I can't even think of the other names right now. Maybe SQE or something like that. But bottom line, the volume wasn't there. The news wasn't there. Beginning of summer, everybody's going out. Everybody's on vacation, whatever it is, whatever we want to say. Bottom line was there was no good trades to take, right? There was a few possibles. But when you tighten up that discipline, you see so many things change. Because, again, if I would have been chasing stocks, I could have chased stocks all day long. Today, yesterday, whatever. There was nothing good enough, period. So you can get that FOMO, you can let the FOMO come. I'll be real with you, today I had zero FOMO, because I knew what the possible outcome was, right? Just like we know what the possible outcome when the market's super hot and everything like that. I knew there was a possibility that if I played around today, I was gonna go red. I knew that when I saw it was probably, 8:30, 8:45, no volume, this and that. I knew that wasn't a good idea to start playing around and keep trading. But at the same time, you got decisions. If your mind is, I have to make money every day in the stock market. If your mind is, I need to make 1,000 a day. I need to make 100 a day. I need to make 10,000. Whatever your mindset is set on, you already lost, if you ask me, because now you force anything. You force yourself to make moves you don't have to make. You force yourself to get in positions you shouldn't get in. You see what I'm saying? But end of the day, today, that's how I could wrap it up. And I see a lot of you guys watch Ross Cameron's videos. So with him, he had a red day today. I see he went back and updated it. He traded some IPO or whatever the case may be, which I get it. I honestly get it. And look, to each his own. He's also trading with maybe $1 million account. So, again, to each his own. For me, it wasn't there. It didn't look good. I don't really play too much with IPOs and everything like that. At times I do, but not in terms of the way I could have traded it today. And they've been hot. We had, MCTR? It might have been. I got you. Yes, sir. So MCTR, I believe it was, or MT, one of them two. It went up crazy, right? IPO went from like 20 to 70, whatever. I'm gonna make a video on that when I get the time. But the bottom line is, it wasn't good for me, period. You know what I mean? It would have worked. Just like today, there was an IPO. There was 2 IPOs that would have worked. But I'm not gonna risk it. I don't need to. You see what I'm saying? I want money. That's what, we all trade because we want money. We're all in business because we want money. You know what I'm saying? We are going to keep trading to get money and doing business to get money. But at the end of the day, for me, it just wasn't it. So I left it alone. And I would really, really suggest some people, again, to not have that in your mind, that you have to come in and make that move and swing as hard as you can, because that's how you get knocked out.